Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Hashtag Vishnu Vlogs. Now we just came again, login. Actually, the time is 5:40. I just came for a walk on Timeman. Yeah, yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, how is the location, guys? Yup, we are on the Timeman. Actually, I don't have that much confidence to vlog in public area, but I just came early morning just to gain confidence. Okay, yeah, we are logging. What just happened? I was just vlogging. I just turned off the camera. I saw a person randomly like going on the bike, telling me hi. Don't even knowing me who I am. I just catching like uh, my phone, like catching my phone and taking vlog me, capturing like shooting the vlog on my phone. So he just telling me randomly hi. I like suddenly felt, yeah, who is this person? I just turned off my camera. Yeah, I'm walking on the streets of Tangman. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Again, check out the scene. Yeah, is that not good? Damn, it's very good. That's how the traffic is. I just want to know how's my like voice quality, cause it's the cam phone voice. I don't have a separate microphone, but I'm gonna take a new microphone. Again, new clip. Yeah, being an introvert. Yeah. Every time try to make friends, but I don't find people compatible. So I just be alone. Okay. So like, can check out the location. Yeah, let's go. This one. Yeah. Being introvert, catching a camera and vlogging is very like hard task, but I just doing from myself because I always think to be like I love being social, but I don't have much friends to like visit lot of places. So I just came this morning to explore Tangban, just walking on the streets. Yeah, I need friends. Hello. I will show you one day. If you are Hyderabad, you will definitely know what is the. Just take a look. And this is the secretariat. You can check out. This is the major Buddha monument, I think. This is the Buddha monument and this is the Ambedkar statue. Yeah, this one. This one Ambedkar statue, the Buddha statue and the water. Yeah, I will also show you the Pigeon point, which is also famous on this Timeburn street. Okay. Yeah, we will also try to take a slow motion video of the pigeons. Let's see. You tell me how it is the video. Actually the quality is not good but in my camera, but yeah, I will capture this to make this vlog little longer than my last one. Yeah. This is the place. Okay, I will show you from another angle, okay? Yeah, that is the sun. The sunrise. I hope you love this location. Good morning, which I shown you earlier. Let's have a close look, okay? I'm just changing the roadside. We'll show you. Yep. Yeah, this is the best quality that I can capture from my phone. That is a big zoom. Yeah, but not good. What you call it is a secretariat. You live in Hyderabad. Actually, the ministers have meetings here. Yeah. I'll show you a view everybody love when they woke up early morning. Check out. Yeah, check out the sun. Actually, the sun is way more orange than you see in this video. Okay, but I love the view. Yeah, one more thing. I just need to like catch my phone little away from me so you can see the big picture, like more things in background. But I am little anxious or what is nervous. So if I put my phone, like make my hand straight, it will feel like this. That's it. The last thing which I would like to show in this vlog, a restored tanker. Okay, original restored tanker situated on lake of Hussain Sagar. Yeah, let's go little away from it. Yup, it's good. Can you say anything in this? Nothing, right? Yup, it's cool, right? Yeah, bye bye. We just came to end of this vlog. Yeah, I hope you love this vlog. Yeah, I just had a quick like 500 meters run, so I am just little sweating. Yeah, I shown you what I see while in the morning walk, which I go not regularly, but I try to go like four or four times a week. Yeah, yeah. If you love watching my vlogs, just hit that like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and comments will be appreciated. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.